Hi, my name is Joanne Richard, and I've been working with Melissa Landry from In Charge Coaching for a little bit over 2 years now. When I first started working with Melissa, I was Executive Director of the Moncton Lions Community Center Seniors Program. And at the time when I reached out, we were asked to vacate our building because the city was going to be using it for the homelessness issue here in the Moncton area. We were very happy to be able to help the city with this initiative. But with that, it brought a lot of change to the staff, the board, and our members and the citizens of the community. With Melissa, she helped me to be able to keep engaged with my team, to help them to manage through these changes and also keep the momentum going so that we could keep our members active for as long as we could. Since then, the program has unfortunately ceased to exist, but now I am the change management specialist, part of an HR team for a local manufacturing company. We are going through the implementation of a major ERP program for our business through the Atlantic part of Ontario and also in the US. So with that, I'm in charge of engaging the team to accept and manage change and also do a culture change. Melissa has been helping me with tools, coaching, and just advising me on how to manage my team. Part of the programs that I took with Melissa were the Influential Leader Workshop, which is a phenomenal workshop, a 5-day workshop where we learned a lot of tools to implement in our everyday job as a leader. I also took the Executive Edge program and also the Executive Accelerator program. If you are thinking of joining Melissa for any of her signature program and you're hesitant or on the fence of embarking on this journey, I would encourage you to give her a call, send her a message, have a chat. Start off with the workshop, the Influential Leader Workshop, a 5-day workshop. You will learn so much and it will help you to make the decision for you as a leader to grow. And with that, it will help your team to grow as well.